Hi guys, it's me Emily Yu. Today I'm making Tread Ok. Her name is Kitty Kawaii Pinky Girl Yu. She copied Jane Doe.
Girl, you copied Jane Doe, Emily.
Shut up, fuck up, you little ugly fat pixis. She loves Brick Battler, but she hates Bloxer. Brick Battler, I thought you loved me, wa la la. Why, yes. Nulu. Wow, it hurts cries like fucking pick me. Okay, time to color. Okay, time to add blush. Blush again. Murray blush. Even the legs Yu. Also, her ability is heals all survivors and kills all killers.
Emily, come here.
Mommy don't. Wow, it hurts.
LOL, Emily is crying also. W Bloxer.
Also, she loves all boys but all girls gets jealous.
Holy pick me.
I'ma just add crown. I will add sexy one soon. Now time to add. But she is 99999999677676767653234576314732536315357213588424872 years old. Sexy time Yu. Also, her backstory is Bloxer loves Brick Battler but gets jealous then after she wants take revenge but fails and she wants kill Bloxer. She is a Yu Oni is it very sad.
No, it's 44445566778
Mori sexy.
Yeah, we're cringe. Because of Emily Zuck.
I'm not cringy, literally poor shit and fucking day.
Shut up, fuck up, Emily.
Add more blush. Mori blush. Even Mori blush. Super extremely Mori blush. Even very extremely Mori blush. Mori blush again. I will put name. Mine one is Emily Yu. Done. Also bye.